Did you know that chicken quesadillas aren't Mexican? They're Tex-Mex. Let me show you how we make them on the border. Easy and delicious. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making one of the easiest Tex-Mex dishes, chicken quesadillas. Quick fun fact, chicken quesadillas aren't Mexican. In Mexico, a quesadilla is just made with cheese. If you add meat, it's called a sincronizada, a taco pirata, or something else entirely. This version is true Tex-Mex, and it's so delicious. If you enjoy recipes with a little bit of history and culture, visit our webpage at TexMexAtHome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe makes enough for 8 to 10 large quesadillas. The ingredients for today are 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt divided, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a splash of chicken broth, 1/3 cup of lime juice, 8 to 10 flour tortillas, and shredded cheese, Oaxaca, Monterey, or mozzarella. 3 quarts of water, 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. First, we're going to make our chicken. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add your chicken and season it with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. You can totally meal prep this step ahead of time to make dinner even easier. I tell you all about this and more meal prep tips on our website at TexMexAtHome.com. Now that our chicken is done and shredded, let's flavor it and leave it ready for our quesadillas. In a bowl with your shredded chicken, add 3 tablespoons of oil, the salt, pepper, lime juice, and broth. I added just enough broth to the lime juice to make about half a cup of liquid. That's all you need to keep the chicken juicy. Give everything a good mix. Now set a pan to medium heat, and once it's hot, transfer your chicken to the pan. Cook this just long enough for the flavor to soak in, no more than 5 minutes. Now that our chicken is ready, let's cook our tortillas. If you're using pre-cooked tortillas instead, that's a great time saver. You can fast forward and skip this step. To cook our tortilla, set your heat to medium and let the skillet heat up. Once it's hot, add a tortilla and let it cook. I use my usual 2-flip method, cooking each side for about 30 seconds and flipping only twice. Cook all your tortillas first, then we'll add the cheese. Now we're ready to make our quesadillas. Have your cheese and chicken ready and grab a tortilla. Find the side that's most cooked and add a generous handful of cheese to the side and fold the tortilla over. Place it on the hot skillet and let it cook for about 30 seconds on each side, just enough to melt the cheese without burning the tortillas. We only flip once to cook on each side. Once the quesadilla is ready, we place it on a plate, open it, and add our chicken. And there you have it. Easy chicken quesadillas. Enjoy them with salsa, sour cream, or other toppings you love. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now, let's give it a try. It's perfect. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.